Hi everyone, we have yet another bulb, this time not from England but from continental Europe, possibly manufactured in Holland. As you can see, it's made by Philips and it's called an ARGA, Philips ARGA. The top part of the bulb is frosted, and this is an external frost, cleverly done, because the bits that are not frosted is obviously the name and the other half of the bulb. Non-pip top, so once again not ancient. Interesting though, because it is in fact rated, or it appears to be rated at about 110 volts. Wattage I would think probably about 75 or 100. Edison screw base, which is common with the bulk of Europe. France still use the other bayonet like us, but all the other parts of Europe was in fact the Edison screw. Anyway, let's turn it down a bit and we'll have a little talk about where it came from, how I found it. Yeah. As you probably guessed by now, wherever I travel about on the continent or over here, one of the most important things to do is to find out where there's a flea market. Flea markets are a source of all kinds of interesting bits. Sometimes it's a load of rubbish, other times you get these little gems. And this lamp turned up in a box with several other bulbs. Alright, this didn't happen last week. This was probably going back 20 years, may even be more, 25 years. And where I found it was quite a famous flea market. It's in Brussels and very near the town centre. It's in like a square, and I understand the market is open most days. If you ever get to Brussels, have a look round you. You don't know what you're going to find. But on this occasion, the box of lamps turned up, and I greatly paid for them, which I can't remember how much I paid. They weren't cheap, but they weren't over the top. And as I say, I still have, well, I think I've got all of them still. So they will appear occasionally. This is one that I have happened to hook out. So, any questions, feel free to ask. Once again, it's a bit of history. I would suggest it's probably from the war years. It is that style of lamp, size-wise, and just the shape. Anyhow, thanks for looking. Any comments, ask. I'll try and answer them. Thanks for looking again.